What's up, fam? This is Ocean Starship with another video. Hope you're having a blessed day. I have a hell of a video for you all today because this morning I had one heck of an experience because I was on the river this morning and I looked in the sky and I saw this huge craft and it was just going north to south for about 30 minutes. This was about 5:40 this morning, right before the sun came up. And I felt the energy from it. I felt like it was almost as if it was watching me. And when I got home, a certain term came to my spirit and I decoded that term. And I received all my answers. But also what I received in that decode was to stay on topic. So I'm not going to get into who I am, who I represent, things of that nature. I'm just going to keep on doing what I was sent to do, and that's wake you up. That's to show you that it's time to elevate. It's time to awaken. It's time to get those vibrations at an all-time high. Elevate your frequency. Tap into your higher self, to your higher attributes. And you will bring things into existence. You will start to manifest things that will move mountains in your life. Because playtime is over. Playtime is over, fam. There is a war taking place right under our noses. There's a war in the skies that they hide from us. And last night, well, this morning, I saw it firsthand. Take a look at this.
Whatever this is in the air is flying back and forth. And the lights that are flickering, they keep changing. See? Now it's flying back the other way. It's changing directions. Man, this is look how the lights stop blinking. You see how the lights stop blinking? And it's still moving? Now they blinking again. Now it's circling around, going back in the direction it just came from. This is over the Mississippi River in New Orleans. It's about 5 in the morning. See, it's going south. It was going north, then it turned around, now it's going south. Look at the flickering pattern just changing. I've never, this is strange. It's just going back and forth, back and forth. Now it's going back north. I haven't seen anything like this. Let's try to zoom in and see if I can get closer. Now it stopped. You see? Now it's not blinking. But I can still see it. Then it turned around. Now it's blinking and going back. Man, this is strange. This is strange. That is not a plane. That is not a plane. You see, it's going south. It's going south. I'm gonna zoom back in so you can see I'm over the river. You see a greenish color, and it's long. It looks like it's, man, that is not a plane.